Hello, people. Another beautiful day or night. Yep. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, Steam Deck Tribe, Steam Deck Nation, Steam Deck Universe, Steam Deck World, Steam Deck Legion. What's good? Steam Deck Mob. What's happening? And Steam Deck Squad. What's up? So we got a new graphics driver from AMD, Linux 6.4, and it gives new powers to the Steam Deck, huh? Well, you Steam Deck fans are getting spoiled. Listen to this. Linux 6.4 AMD graphics driver picks up new power features for the Steam Deck. Says here a pull request of early AMD GPU's kernel graphics driver change was submitted for DRM next on Friday, as some of the early features work accumulating for Linux 6.4 kernel cycle. Among the AMD GPU kernel drivers, changes this round are a number of fixes affecting items such as the UMC RAS DCN 3.2 FreeSync SR-IOV, various IP blocks, USB 4, and more. On the feature side, mentions subtle in the changelog are a few power related additions. Let me get this out of the way here. Then it says here, these additions are largely focused on Van Gogh APUs, which is notably for the Steam Deck and benefiting its graphics moving forward. Yeah, I told you. Look, Valve didn't get with AMD for nothing, man. The games are going to look even more better now. Says here, first up, the kernel pulls request introduce a new System FS interface for adjusting settings, thermal throttling. This is a wired up for Van Gogh and allows reading slash update the thermal limit temperature in milli-degrees Celsius. This APU thermal cap interface is just wired up for Van Gogh and seems to be Steam Deck's driven feature work so that the Steam OS will be better able to manage the thermal handling of the APU. It's a Steam Deck thing, folks. Get used to it. It says here, among the AMD GPU kernel drivers, changes this round are a number of fixes affecting items such as UMC RAS DNC 3.2 FreeSync SR IOV and various IP blocks, USB 4, and more. The pull request is just mentioned for support APUs. With these power changes, will dig through the code is where it points just to being handled on Van Gogh currently. These power features will be exposed via system files, System FS, while SteamOS will wrap around them intelligently, and possibly some new user interface settings knobs for those wanting more control over their Steam Deck thermal performance. This is also a fix slash workaround in this pull too for disabling indirect SRAM on Van Gogh APUs with broken BIOS to fix the AMD VCN handling on older Steam Decks with out of date BIOS version. Oh yeah, AMD is busy. It says over the AMD KFD compute driver side, this pulls request has support now for exporting buffer via DMA buff, multi-VMA page mitigation fixes, and other fixes. See the full request for all the list of initial AMD GPU AMD KFD patches queuing ahead of the Linux 6.4 cycle that will kick off in May, while the stable release will be out this summer. Yeah, it's a Steam Deck thing, people. Yes, you see no Steam Deck left behind, man. What is wrong with you people? AMD is busy. That Linux 6.4, oh yeah. Those updates, oh yeah. This is gonna this is gonna improve the Steam Deck a whole lot. Thermal wise, CPU wise, everything. every piece of tech that's on the Steam Deck will be updated with this driver. So and game performance will be better. So for those who were complaining, about 60 FPS, that's not even going to be an issue. The Steam Deck is just getting updates after updates, and AMD and Valve are busy. And your experience with the Steam Deck will improve on a week to week basis because of all the updates the system is getting. So yeah, get ready for this one. And this is dealing with the kernel too. Oh yeah. Yeah, Valve and AMD are busy. Yeah, and plus there's the I think the Game Developers Conference that's coming, and that's gonna be something because Valve might introduce the FSR 3.0. So you Steam Deck fans, man, you Steam Deck fans, you got updates coming in the weeks to come, months to come. So yeah, get ready for those. So yeah, the Steam Deck is just moving right along, man. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run. Oh yeah, Steam, that little handheld is no joke, man. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted on anything new going on with the Steam Deck. But yeah, I mean, Linux 6.4 AMD graphics driver pick up new power features for the Steam Deck. Oh yeah, Steam Deck is moving right along, man. This little handheld is no joke, and this update too is gonna help the first generations of like the first set the Steam Decks, that the very first ones that they made. It's gonna help those a lot. So yeah, and you should see the improvements with this update. So oh yeah, you guys are covered. I'm talking about when the first like when the Steam Deck first came out, and people were getting theirs, and when Gabe Newell went around giving out Steam Decks, those people that got within the first 6 months. Oh yeah, this update is gonna help them big time. So yeah, and this update is for the Van Gogh GPU. So yeah. This little handheld is doing damage, man. It's doing damage for what it can do. I'm pretty sure the Hawks is gonna cover this. The Hawks is gonna cover this, and Linus Tech. They'll got something to say about this, but yeah, this is just. Another big update for the Steam Deck, man. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'll leave this video for y'all to enjoy with the article. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek fan. Board, Dark Side. Go.